Hello friends, in this video I'm going to discuss what are the symptoms of depression. Normally, whenever many of us found someone sad, we named it depression. But the matter is not like this. Of course, sadness is one of the symptoms, but in some cases it is not, as some depressed people do not reflect such symptoms. However, depression has some significant symptoms that I will discuss in this video. So let's start with the first one, that is living sad for many days. This is one of the symptoms, that if you find someone sad consistently for many days, it means he or she is in depression. Next, that is persistent, anxious, or maybe irritating behavior. If you find someone irritating on even a small issue or even without any issue, most of the time, almost more often, then he or she must be suffering from depression. Next, negative feelings, that is 3H factor, that is hopeless, helpless, and helpless. Next, no more interest in any sort of pleasure-deriving activities. So the depressed person doesn't have any interest in any sort of activities. Next, that is feeling of low energy and tiredness. This is one of the symptoms, that you find someone feeling low energy and tired without doing any work or doing some small work. It may be he or she is suffering from depression. Next, facing problem in memorizing something, which is most likely done in the past. So, if you find someone who is unable to memorize something asked, it may be he or she is suffering from depression. Next, unable to focus or concentrate and hesitant in making decisions. Normally, the depressed people don't have the potential to concentrate on any work, and they also cannot take any decision. Next, feeling of restlessness. The depressed people cannot remain calm. Next, loss of hunger. There is possibility that the depressed people don't have any interest in eating. Next, sleeping disorder. Normally, the depressed people face difficulty in sleeping. Their night is normally sleepless and restiveness. Next, having headache and body ache. Though it is not essential, but many times the depressed people feel headache and body ache. Next, drug addiction. The depressed people most likely stray towards the drug addiction if not taken care sincerely. Last but not the least, feeling of suicide. In extreme condition, most likely the depressed person may attempt to take his or her life. So, this is all about the symptoms of depression.